Welcome back to the IndeedSEO channel, the place where digital marketing meets innovation. Today, we're unveiling a game-changer: how to perform an on-page SEO audit in just 2 minutes using AI. Yes, you heard that right. 2 minutes, smarter results, and maximum impact. Let's show you how the pros do it. Why on-page SEO is the backbone of success. Let's set the stage. Imagine your website as a store. On-page SEO is the signboard, the layout, and the displays. Without it, nobody's stopping by. Optimizing your pages not only boosts your Google rankings, but also drives targeted traffic and keeps visitors engaged. And the best part? AI has made it ridiculously easy. Let's see how. The tools that make SEO effortless. To make your audit seamless, you'll need these powerhouse tools. Server SEO for detailed content insights. SEMrush for keyword analysis and alt text checks. ChatGPT for lightning-fast meta descriptions and headings. Google Search Console for performance tracking. With these tools in your arsenal, you're unstoppable. Step by step, your 2-minute audit process. Step 1. Analyze the page structure. Start by pasting your page URL into Server SEO. Within seconds, you'll get a content score. Focus on missing keywords, ideal word count, and proper heading structure. This step ensures your content is hitting all the right notes for search engines. Step 2. Perfect your meta tags and descriptions. Meta tags are your first impression on search engines and users alike. Take your existing meta description, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask for an SEO-optimized version with your target keyword. For example, generate a 150-character meta description with the keyword SEO audit. In seconds, you have a description that's crisp, compelling, and conversion-ready. Step 3. Optimize your images with alt text. Search engines love accessible websites. Use SEMrush to check if your images are missing alt text. For any gaps, let AI generate alt tags that are keyword-rich and relevant to your content. Step 4. Check page performance. Finally, open Google Search Console to ensure your page is indexed and loading quickly. If there's a red flag, the tool tells you exactly what to fix. No guesswork, no wasted time. Secret sauce, pro tips for extra edge. Want to go from good to great? Here are some bonus tips. Internal links. Connect your pages with relevant internal links. Readability. Use AI to adjust your tone and readability for your target audience. Call to action. Never skip a powerful CTA. Guide your visitors to take action. Final recap and takeaway. That's it. An on-page SEO audit in just 2 minutes. Let's recap. Analyze your structure with Server SEO. Refine meta tags with ChatGPT. Fix alt text with SEMrush. Verify performance with Google Search Console. With AI, you're not just saving time, you're amplifying your results. Let's grow together. At IndeedSEO, we believe in turning every click into business success. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow marketers. And don't forget, our free SEO checklist is waiting for you in the description. Download it and make your SEO process even easier. Until next time, stay innovative and keep optimizing with IndeedSEO.